Hey everyone, this is Utsav from Wow Production, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn boring photos beautiful in just 5 minutes using Lightroom. So I have choose this image from Unsplash and the link will be in the description if you want to try it out by yourself. So what we're gonna do is, as you can see, the photo is literally just got a matte effect on the photo, and the photo is dark and the face is not very popping out of the picture. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna increase the exposure first. So we're gonna increase the exposure a little bit around plus 90, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna give it a contrast. So we're gonna increase the contrast as well. If you have a fade photograph just like this one, the settings will just be perfect for you. So just copy my settings, and if you want this preset that I'm doing, I'll develop a preset and I'll post it on my website so that you can download it for free, and the link will be in the description. I'll update that later. So after this, what we're gonna do is, as you can see, the face is popping out of the image but the background does not suits it as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna decrease the highlights a little bit around 10%, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna decrease the shadows as well. So we're gonna decrease the shadows to around 45 to 50%, and we're gonna increase the whites so that the picture looks brighter. So we're gonna increase the whites around a little bit. We have to increase just a little bit, around 14 to 15%. You can just go further according to image. So I'll be taking like 17. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna decrease the color of black. So I'm gonna decrease it a little bit around you can say 26, and this does look very well. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna play with the curves, because tone curves are the god of Lightroom and Photoshop. So we're gonna play with it. We're gonna make a point right here, and we're gonna just decrease it a little bit like this. As you can see, now it's looking more natural than before, and we're gonna create another point right here, and we're gonna decrease it a little bit. So as you can see, the picture looking very beautiful. And as you can see, there are a lot of grains on her photograph and there is a lot of noise on it. So we're gonna remove that later also, but right now we're gonna play with her color tone. So we're gonna go to HSL. HSL basically stands for hue, saturation and lightness. So we're gonna play with hue, and we're gonna increase or decrease the reds. So we're gonna play with the reds first, and we're gonna decrease the reds around as you can see, the color of the lips are changing. So I'll be giving it a shot of 58 to 60%. I'll go with 60, and I'm gonna decrease the yellow so that this part that is becoming greeny, so it will become yellowish, less yellowish. So I'm gonna decrease it a little bit around 7 to 10%. So yeah, this is fine. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go to saturation, and we're gonna increase the saturation a little bit, and I'll go with the 40 or 38. And as you can see, the picture is popping out very well. And what we can do next is we can go to the luminance, and we can increase the red to around 38 to give it a natural effect. And I'll go with 40, basically 40, or plus 60 is too much, so I'll go to around 40 or 36, whatever your photo suits. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna increase the orange as well as, so we're gonna increase it a little bit like this. And so basically I want to tell you what luminance is. Basically, luminance is the intensity of light emitted from a surface per unit area in a given direction. So this is basically what luminance does. But as you know, we have to remove the grains on her photo, on her face. So in doing so, we have to go down here and select noise reduction right here. And what we have to do is we have to increase the luminance a little bit so that it gives a milky and a noise will be removed. So I'm gonna increase the luminance, and as you can see, the grains are going away, and we need a little bit grain on the image so that it looks natural. And I think 65 is perfect. As you can see, this looks beautiful, and as you can compare both of them, this does has changed a lot of things. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section what you want to see in the next video, and do subscribe my channel. Till then, have a nice day. God bless you.